Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some quick and easy K-pop inspired hair tutorials. So let's begin. First, this is Irene from Red Velvet. I'm just curling the ends of my hair outward. And then I'm going to tie my hair up in a high ponytail. Then I'm using this fake fringe that I got from Daiso. Just kind of play with it. Next, get a ribbon and tie a bow at the top. I'm going to fix the ends a little bit. And there you have an Irene inspired look. Next is the Goona inspired hair. First, you want to curl all of your hair. And then using a bobby pin, pin up the bangs. And then just braid this part all the way down. And then tie it. And then you want to create a bun. Just loop this all the way around. And then set it with bobby pins. And it kind of looks like a rose. I've also seen her do this, but in a bow shape. So there you go for the Yuna look. Next is another Yuna inspired hair, and I love this very simple ponytail. It's slightly edgy. You just want to tie a knot and then tie it. This literally took me like 30 seconds. And looks like you're ready to go on the red carpet. Next, this is a Taeyeon inspired hair. What you want to do is spin this around and create a bun and do it for each end. So you have a cute pigtail bun. Set it with bobby pins. And then get 2 ribbons and tie a bow on each side. And I've seen so many K-pop artists have this hairstyle. There you go. And last, this is an IU inspired hair from her new album. So what you want to do is twist this and then do the same for the other side. And then tie those two together like this. And then loop it inside like so. And there you go. So that was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!